What programming languages are used in robotics? If you're wondering what language you need to speak to robots to get them to do what we want, the answer is there isn't one single language, but there are a few fundamental ones. In robotics, the most important programming languages are C and C++ and Python. Each one has a very different role. Python is the preferred language for research and high-level tasks. It's easy to learn, has a very clear syntax, and a huge number of libraries. That's why it's used for artificial intelligence, machine learning, computer vision, with libraries like OpenCV, and for programming in the famous Robot Operating System, or ROS. It's the ideal language for planning a robot's mission and making decisions. On the other end is C and C++. This is the true workhorse of robotics. It's used for low-level tasks, those that require direct hardware control, such as controlling motors, processing data from sensors, and real-time motion calculations. Its high speed and efficiency make it indispensable for a robot to respond ultra-fast. Now then, if you have to program industrial robots like those seen on an assembly line, you'll find that each manufacturer has their own specific language, optimized for their machinery. For example, ABB robots use the RAPID language, KUKA robots use KRL, and FANUC robots are programmed with VAL. In short, there isn't one language that does it all. A complex robot needs the speed of C and C++ for its brain and the intelligence of Python for its planning.